Here is an equation. X plus 11 equals x. Find x. Look at it for a second and it already feels wrong. Add 11 to a number and get the same number back? Nothing does that. And yet, there is a method, one you have used 100 times, that will hand you a clean answer for x. That is the pitfall, and it is exactly the kind that costs people marks in a competition. Pause here and see if you can spot where it goes wrong. First, the honest way. Take x off both sides. On the left, x minus x, which is 0. On the right, minus 11. So 0 equals minus 11. That is not tricky, it is just false. This equation has no solution. There is no number x that works. Hold on to that, because in a minute, someone is going to hand you one. Now the trick. Here is a rule you have used since you were 12. If a equals b, then a squared equals b squared. Perfectly true. Square two equal things and they stay equal. So let us square both sides. X plus 11 all squared equals x squared. Write the left as x plus 11 times x plus 11 and multiply it out. X times x is x squared. Then 11 times x and the other 11 times x. And 11 times 11 is 121. All of that equals x squared. The two lots of 11x make 22x, so x squared plus 22x plus 121 equals x squared. And now look, x squared on the left, x squared on the right, they cancel. That leaves 22x plus 121 equals 0. Send the 121 across. 22x equals minus 121. Divide both sides by 22, then top and bottom by 11. And x equals minus 11 over 2, minus 5.5. A clean, ordinary number out of an equation that cannot have one. So let us check it. That is what checking is for. Put minus 11 over 2 back in place of x. On the left, minus 11 over 2 plus 11. 11 is 22 over 2, so that comes to 11 over 2. And the right-hand side is minus 11 over 2. Same number, opposite sign. Not equal. So minus 11 over 2 is not a solution, and the equation still has none. But where did it come from? A number like that does not appear out of nowhere. Here is the thing about squaring. That rule only points one way. Coming back the other way, a squared equals b squared only says a and b are the same size. It says nothing about the sign. A could be b, or a could be minus b. So the moment we squared, we stopped asking our question. We started asking a bigger one. X plus 11 equals x, or x plus 11 equals minus x. Solve that second one. Bring the x across, and 2x equals minus 11. So x equals minus 11 over 2. There it is, our number. It was never a wrong answer. It is the right answer to a question nobody asked. And that is the whole pitfall. Squaring can only ever add solutions. It never loses them. So anything that survives a squaring is a candidate, not an answer. Put it back into the original equation every single time. X plus 11 equals x has no solution. It never did. Check your roots. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us reach more people and continue providing free educational content. Thank you.